Hello friends, good day everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the Grace Fashion Home. I'm grateful for those of you that's already subscribed already. Those view my channel, God bless you all. I appreciate you. Those yet to subscribe, please keep on pressing the subscription button and press the notification button so in case I post any video you'll notify you. Please keep on subscribing. Thanks so much. Love you all. Big love to all of you out there watching my video, those subscribing. I love you all. Okay, I want to do a basic sleeve. I want to do a sleeve to attach to this particular gown here, and I feel you can also learn from it. This is a basic sleeve. As you can see, I've drawn my guideline, drawn my start point line at this point, and the pattern is on a fold. You can see the pattern is on a fold, just like your sleeve. So what do you take first? You start with your cap length, your cap height. How do we get your cap height? Your cap height is your bust, the bust of your client, divided by 12. Then you add 0.5. This is a cap height. As your bust divided by 12 plus 0.5. This is very necessary. For people just assume, you don't assume. So the bust of my client is 48. 48 divided by 12. That is 4. 4 plus 0.5. That is 4.5. So my cap height is 4.5. As you can see it here, 4.5. I believe that is clear, 4.5. Then the length of this sleeve is 13. And I'm giving allowance of 1 inch. 13, I'm giving allowance of 1 inch. So let's still come back to this place. Now you take the bisects of your client. How do you take bisects of your client? How we take bisects of a client? We take it around to join our armpits, not too tight to our armpits. This manicure one is saying is 13. That is for the manicure. For the manicure is 13, as you can see what I did there, but my client is 18. That's why I put this here, 18. So whatever you get from the biceps, whatever you get from the biceps, you divide it by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So this angle here, you can see this angle here. This angle here is, I added 1 inch allowance to it. 1 inch allowance to it. That is 10. As you can see it is 10. Whatever you get, you add 1 inch to it. It's 10. So you get the midpoint of 10. The midpoint of 10 is 5. As you can see, 5. So from this 5, you take 1/2 inch upward. From this line, this angle line now. Let me use as in the language everybody can understand. This angle line. This line now. Half of it is 5. So I take 1/2 inch upward. That is where this dot is. 1/2 inch upward. Then you take your armhole ruler. You take your armhole ruler and you curve it. Take your armhole ruler. You curve it. As you can see, you curve it. You stop at this dot here. After that, you draw a straight line from this point. Draw a straight line to stop at this place. A straight line. So this is for the back. This first one that is up here is for the back armhole. Now I want to draft the front, because the front is different from the back. The front we go in a little. So the front, this initial dot here, this initial midpoint we did, you still take your armhole ruler and draft the curve to meet this point here. From this place to meet this point here, I didn't come up. The hub is for the back. The hub is for the back. It's for the back. While the down is for the front. So as you can see what I did. So that is that. Then from this place, you turn your ruler this way. Do you see what I did? Here, the ruler is facing like this. Now, to take this down, I turn the ruler and bring it down and still get a curve. Still get a curve to put in here. Hope we are seeing it. This is just allowance. This is allowance. So from this side, I take the round measurements of my client as a round measurement of our sleeve down, divided by 2, and you measure. Our one is 13, I divided by 2, which is giving me 6.5. And I put 1.5 inch allowance and I group together. So there's a way we cut it. There's a way we cut it because the back measurement is different from the front measurement. So the cutting, you have to be careful so as not to make any mistake. So I want to cut now. I want to cut that part. Remember I said earlier that this is just a simple sleeve. So we cut the back first. I'll cut the back first. Just observe closely to the scissors and the pattern. So I'm cutting the back first. As you can see, I've cut out the back. So you open it. After cutting the back, you open the fold. As you can see it. So this is back now. You open the fold so as to cut the front. So I want to cut the front now. Cut the front. You take it this way. So you follow this tiny line. The tiny line to cut the front, to cut it out. So we are done. So simple. This is the front. This is the back of the armhole. As you can see it, the front is going inside a little than the back. So this is all about simple armhole. So I want to use it to draft a pattern. I want to use it to draft the clothes now, the material. Just place it on your fabric and draft it out. Okay, mind you, the first scissors I use, these are paper scissors. Don't use your fabric scissors on the paper, it will be damaged. So this is my fabric scissors to make it blunt. So I want to cut it out. Stay doing the back first. Supposed to use pin and hold this. Use pin to hold this. So I've cut out the back. So I will still do the same thing I did. You open it. You open the two. It's two. You just open the two. This is our back. You do it this way. I want to cut the front. And you open it this also. Do it this way. It's very simple. You have to be careful. The key points there, the key thing to note there is your calf length, how to measure your calf length, and how to measure your biceps. That is the key points there to note on drafting your simple sleeve. So you cut out, you trace out this as for the front. Okay, I'm done. It's two. Both sleeve I cut together. I'm done. So you place it back. So you notch this place, the middle, you notch the middle, and try to also notch the back, the middle of the back, so you can know when attaching it to your body. If not, you can make mistake. It's very possible you make mistake. You turn it where it's supposed to be the front, you turn into the back. It's very possible. So you notch, now you know this is the back side. It's a very good guide, so you won't miss it and go place the back to the front. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. You can see I've attached the first sleeve. I've attached it. I don't want to join it here until I finish weaving it. So let me show you guys how I attach the sleeve to the body. I'm going to place right side on right side. This is the right side of my sleeve. This is the right side of my sleeve. So right side on right side is right side of the material. So you just place it. As easy as that. You just place it. You can see what I did. Right side on right side. You place it in the middle here. And you pin it round. You pin it round. You pin it round. You pin it round to this point. You pin it round to this point. So I usually do. You separate your body allowance. You separate it. You open it wide like this. So you stitch round. You can see it's looking neater. So you stitch round till the end.